racing. As they settle, we have Reign Supreme. Very quickly restart, moving up by around Kimagure. Speed Admiral Sonny outside, ridden the stars, Swiss Mood, while Don Ramon is the early trailer. Passing by the jet stand for the first time with Speed Admiral. Kimagure is down on the inside in the middle portion, Reign Supreme. Then followed by written in the stars, Swiss Moods, while Don Ramon is in behind them and going along for the first turn. We have Kimagure, the early leader, by about 3/4 of a length lead. Reign Supreme is right behind in second, running alongside Speed Admiral. 6 lengths further back in fourth comes written in the stars. Don Ramon comes next, while Swiss Mood now in behind them. Past the half-mile distance, we have Kimagure, maintaining a length and a half lead. Speed Admiral in second, Reign Supreme dropping back in third, written in the stars, still in fourth. Then comes Don Ramon and Swiss Mood is still in behind them. Another part turn, we have Kimagure, followed closely by Entrenberg for this one, Speed Admiral. Reign Supreme now closing in third, then followed by written in the stars, Don Ramon and Swiss Mood. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Kimagure about to throw the challenge now on the outside, Speed Admiral. Then comes Reign Supreme written in the stars with about 150 meters more to run. We have Kimagure, followed by Speed Admiral on the outside, and nearing the finish line, it's Kimagure, second, Speed Admiral, Reign Supreme. Then comes written in the stars, Swiss Mood, and Don Ramon comes in last.
Po, ang nakita natin sa instant replay, nagkatalo lang ng halos ang kabayo lang. Ang kabayo. Unofficially, ang order natin is 2, 4, and 3.
5.
And 5.
So matuloy ang winning streak itong si
Kimagure.
7
Kimagure. Ito po, quarter clock is 19, 24 and a half, 24 and a half, finishing at 28 for a total time of 136 flat for 1